think your business is safe because Stripe or PayPal approved you instantly? That's not the whole story. Let's check Stripe's restricted businesses page. You can hit Control F and type in keywords like coaching, credit repair, or supplements. If your industry shows up here, or even close to these categories, you are on borrowed time. A lot of business owners think that instant approval equals long term stability. But Stripe and PayPal don't underwrite your business up front. That means they will let you start processing only to freeze or shut you down later once your model triggers a flag. That's why EasyPay Direct does it differently. They underwrite your business from the start so you know exactly where you stand. And they back it up with features like transaction routing to keep payments flowing and chargeback mitigation to protect your accounts. You're not guessing. You're set up properly from day one. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out. You will also see how they handle industries that Stripe and PayPal often block. If you want to avoid surprises and get a merchant account that actually supports your business model, the link in the description takes you straight to EasyPay Direct's sign up page. It is the next step to process payments without the risk of sudden shutdowns.